Una ng tinawag ito at mga paratang na Alcantara at Hernandez na mali ang walang basihan. Samantala, baki pa rin sa testimonya ni Alcantara, ngunit inuman si Senador Joel Villanueva noong 2022 ng 1.5 billion pesos sa multi-purpose.
Hi! Thank you for watching.
25% na napagkasunduan.
Hello everyone here.
At hindi mo ng pera sa sinasabing staff ng senador. Hindi na ginawa ni Villanueva na mayroon siyang kinalaman sa mga anumayan flood control project. Ininawin naman ni Alcantara.
Have a good night. Have a good evening.
2024, nagtatwid siya ni daming public works under
Shut up.
may gusto pang pagdaanan ng pondo dahil mayroon pang
I hate you.
5 million pesos
Yeah.
para sa isang pag-inisyal na SJE at gayong iba pang proyekto may 25% din kinilalaan sa proponent. Pinatutuhanan ni Tony Hernandez at sinabi mo 2025 na ipag-ugnay umano sa estrada kay Alcantara, isang ismida at isang Ben Ramos ang nakausap rin umano ni Hernandez para sa proyektong nakadaan para kay Estrada. Noong Setyembre, pinagulahanan ni Mina Jose ng WJ Construction ng aligasyon at sinabi, binisita lamang niya ang kaibigan sa staff
May pa?
si Ben Ramos. Una namang
Want more?
ni Estrada,
If you want more, can you tell me? I want. Kiss me. I'm gonna say one more time. Kiss ako, kiss ako.
at napag-usapan kung
No,
ano ang
one
kalabas ng
more.
bansa.
Wow.
Nuclear assets
Wala ko lang. Wala. Say hi, say hi. Hi! Hello, Tony! Bibigyan ako! One more. Oh, dami ah. Tama na yun. Thank you for watching. Can you please hit the like button?
guidelines para mapabilis ang pagbawi sa mga assets o wariansan ng mga personalidad na sangkot sa mga namadyan flood control projects. John sa Kalaban ABS-CBN News.
Hey. Hey. Yes. Okay. Hi. Hi. Hello. What is your name? Where's your boyfriend? Why are you asking? My boyfriend is in another country. You remember me? I don't remember you. Who are you? I don't remember you. What is your name?
Your music cost 2026. All the FMRs.
Your name? What is your name?
And all other relevant agencies shall immediately follow the same pricing system as that of the population.
Hindi ko niyatan.
paggamit ng kanyang 2008 work tariff funds. Sa 2016 decision ni dating Ombudsman Conchita Martin-Morales na sa mga dahilan para sa pahalang mga kasong kriminal si Villanueva. Hindi rin pinatigan ang depensa ni Jose Villanueva na peke ang sinasabing pinama niya sa mga dokumento.
That day, you remember, SP1, SP2, SP3 debate with one guy. I forgot. I forgot. Sorry. Who are you? So now you are SP4. Good evening, my Dan, my Flower Philippines. Rodrigo, hi. Wow. A dude. It's dead.
Kasama sa naging niya ang findings ng NBI ng sports o bineke ang mga pirma ni Villanueva.
Uy, kami!
Takot pero Lord Satan, kanya nag-iisang mga ilang celebrities sa kanilang Halloween sa Capitol ang Celeste. Patok pa rin ang Papa.
I don't remember. I forgot what happened before.
Tulad ni Karen, Jason Lynn at Karen, isang kabilang sa best wrestlers ng Metro sa The Girls Halloween Party.
Gab! Gabriel!
May ganon!
Ha? Magkaon ka na. Anong oras na?
Ano?
Magkaon na. Anong oras na?
Short at Mon Gutierrez. Ang matching costume na set to Lynn at
Tip-tip like oikis. Very easy. Thank you, Rodrigo. Like and subscribe, friends. So please should subscribe. Thank you, Rodrigo, to share up my channel. Thank you.
nakakatakot pero doon ang nauna ang Metro's best women. Pinatunayan din ng iba pang ng high fashion ang horror.
Like and subscribe. Thank you so much.
Hanggang sa Dark Lady,
Gawa daw. Gabi.
Yadi
ho.
Fashion horror.
Thank you for 6 million here now. Mardo, okay, absent si Tim. Maybe he's busy. Tim, maybe he's busy. Hello, boy. To click on screen and subscribe. Okay, thank you, Rodrigo. Thank you for the thumbs up, guys. Thumbs up kayo dyan. Thank you for the thumbs up. Verna Rodriguez, hello house watching thumbs up for. Thank you for the thumbs up. Verna Rodriguez 28. Rod Peanut, Gabriel! Gab! Kumani ka, di ka magkaon. Kanina ka pa, kumani ka, di ka magkaon. Sunflower seed. Gabriel! Nagkakaon ka, nagsisilpon ka! Kanina ka pa soon! Magpinggan ka, wala pinggan? Wala pinggan. Dito ka sa lamisa, magkaon sa lamisa. Ay, dito sa lamisa. Tama na yung cellphone. Batog pa kami kanina na aga. Soon. Hindi ka mo maano kung dili ka mo yung suhay. Too delicious. I'm fine. Rodri at PCD. How are you? Hi, Petrovac. Petrovac. Thank you for joining here.
6 days na lang, Pasko na. Para sa iba pang balita.
Hi, Cheryl. Good evening. Good evening. Good morning. Thank you. Good morning to you. To you.
Ano ang mga latest news? O balikan po ang mga balita.
Have a nice day to all. I'm all right. That's good.
At napapanood na live ang TV Patrol at replay ng mga paborito niyong programa sa iPhone.
What is the weather there now? Maybe it's sunny or rainy here. Rainy here at night. But on day, it's sunny. 9 Brazil work. Oh my God. Ah, be there. Here night. Thank you for watching. 6 million here now. Send like please. Thank you, Rodrigo. Hi guys, good morning Cheryl. Good evening Cheryl, how are you? I'm fine guys, good morning to you. How are you? Hindi mo nga akong kisa. Dapat yung kisa. Kisa mo nga. Ano ka nung? I'm fine. Thank you for asking. Welcome, guys. What are you doing today? Are you working? Hello, baby cute girl. Hello, baby cute girl. Sabi mo hi.
Hi.
Kuha na. Kuha. Ay, siya mo. Sabi mo si mama mo. Give mo si mama. No, I'm work. No work. I am retired. Wow, you enjoying your life, guys. Hi from Rodrigo. Jamal. Hi, Janelle. Hi, Jamel. Hi, Jamel. Hello. Welcome. Welcome, Jamel. Like, subscribe, and comment, everyone. Thank you, guys. Guys, hello, my friend from Rodrigo. Parang tagal maubos.
Mama, din mo daw dati binakal.
Sa bus ko. Bakit?
Bus mo?
Opo.
Kaya mo pa?
Para na. Give mo si mama. Ito. Ingad mo si mama mo. Hello, Rodrigo from Gas. Meron naman yun dun yung space.
Ang galing.
Dadala ka agad ng pera doon. Kapag ka.
Gerald Flameng. Hi, Gerald Flameng. Thank you for watching.
Siyempre, ang nasa isip nila mga piyaw ng mga kalaban.
Dancing in the moonlight, time. Hard wine. Have a great day, Mike from Ireland. Hi, Gerald Fleming, 7436 from Ireland. Nice to meet you, Gerald from Ireland. Welcome to my channel from Philippines. Ala na. Dancing with the moonlight.
Sa pagtirangwa nito, maasa ako mas makikilala pa kita.
Thank you for watching.
Kaya din po ako. Sige po.
Sabi kayo.
Oo, mabuting bata naman si Shantina. Ako namin siya inutinte. Kaya bibigyan ko siya ng pagkakataon. Patunayan sa iyo. O sige na. Okay na ang garahe. Pinapakala nila tayo. Wala rin yan ang gulo.
Pahipitan mo pang salita. Hindi natin alam kung kailan lulutang silang punta.
Opo, boss.
Kailangan kong maganda. Aarap ako ng mga nirelo. Magdadala si Brando doon ng pera mga kami.
O sige na. Baka panahon na para harapin mo ang mga tirano. Total, ka-business partner na sila ang mapapila mo.
Tuso at mandaraya ang mga nirelo. Alam na alam ko yan. Pero sa kabilang banda, kalaban nila ang kalaban ko. Kalaban nila sa tangkuan. At dahil dyan, sa kanila ako nakakaya.
Have a great day, my from Ireland.
Pareho kayo ng tinatakbo ng isip pagdating sa pera. Nakalimutan ninyo ang atraso sa isa't isa.
Look who's talking
Hindi ako dapat magpagalit sa
now.
takot. Kailangan nagilang kaya ako. Alam mo naman sa mundo ito, pag pera ng pinag-usapan, walang totoong kaibigan. Wala rin totoong kaaway. Lahat nagiging sakit. Lahat nagiging traitor.
Thank you for the 7 people here. Thank you for the thumbs up.
Hindi pa ba kayo sa lagay niya?
Hindi ka makakasama. Yakan ka na lang. Mag-isa ko sa
Hi, please. Maringan. Patulay.
Wala naman.
Mapatulay na ka mo?
Baka makita niyo sa
Ash?
Apa? Wala ko. Mapatulay.
Pag-iingat kayo ah.
Patulay na yan. Wala ko. Patulay. Mama, galing ako. Ayuraw na.
Nasa
Nasa
Papi Bado.
Sa'yo lahat.
Kubangan si Papi Bado.
Alam ko kayo. Alam ko di ko kaya. Kaya ko na to. Tuloy mo na.
Ang jacket.
Tuloy sa sabi eh. Mas delikado kung kasama tayo.
Lalakad naman yun.
Sigurado mo kayo. Kaya ko sarili mo.
Have a great day. Ay, paulit-ulit kong nababasa.
Gano'n si Tita Nini pag-akit na ha? Oo, ito ma'am.
Yata maraway.
Aram-dawan sa Romay.
Leprechaun. Leprechaun. Regard Gerald Fleming. Where can I find a leprechaun there in Ireland? Irish. Ireland. Leprechaun.
Pamili kaya kaupo.
Leprechaun. Nano daw? Nano babang? Nano?
Si Tita Mami may kaupo. May friends niya yan.
Nano? Nano?
Boyfriend si Tita Mimi.
May friends si Tita Nini.
Sino man ang boyfriend man? Oh my God!
Ano naman ang
Sino ang boyfriend ni Tita Nini?
Ano naman ang kuya? Yes.
Tita Mami, may kaupo.
Yes. Yes. Boyfriend. Boyfriend. Ang ibig sabihin ng BL. O, din. Tamburin mo ko gumelo sa akin. Ano na ini? Ay, sila live. Tell me who's din. Nagayan.
Bigyan mo si mama. Damihan mo.
Mama, kuha ko na ganyan na isin.
Kanina ka pa sinuyag, maghapon ka.
Kanta ka Tita Mami kay Papay.
Bye-bye, babang! Ingat, bang! Bang it. What means? Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good evening here. Mangoes are delicious. Yeah, I like mangoes. Ripe mangoes. Can you give it to me a mango, Jamie? I love mango. The ripe mango, sweet mango, you know. Friendly Pippin, where from? Where? Fendi. 1907 Navy, hi.
Mag-ilbit ka.
Hap.
Nakatuna kami.
Oh.
Salamat. Salamat sa pagkaan.
Tapos sinihiran man ako ni Babang.
Uy, tama na. Pinaghanap na inyo.
Nag-uyak ka talaga? Tita!
Uy, sumama na.
Inano ka man? Masaramon, ano rin?
Mama ka na lang kita.
Oh, Nadi na. Ah, kuha ka na haw.
Ito.
Magkuha ka plastic.
Yata.
Nadi na.
Yay!
Ang OA.
Oo niya. Matagang ka, Chuy!
Kete na yan.
Focus.
Oh, kuha kita.
Si Mami wala na.
Sabi na kadulot. Bulay na hay.
lagay mo na titik ko naman.
No more for her. Gabon. What means friendly? I grew up eating from the land and we have all kind of fruits and vegetable. Mangoes and avocados was my favorite. Wow, that's great.
Bakit? Magpadulog sa papa.
Magpakagat ka, papay.
Sakit man yan ito na walang ipon. Mga payatilok do.
Hindi nakabot na pangalan nila.
Thank you for watching, guys. At million people here. Thank you so much. I really appreciate your joining me live. It helps me to reach the goal for my watch hour. Thank you for the support, guys. Thank you so much, my friends here on YouTube. Thank you. Bye. Love you. Bye-bye. Tiga. Got it. I just can't explain when you're here. Try to hide it in summer. The cows used to chase me on my way to school and going back to the house. The cows? Wow, the cows and going back to the school. Wow. The cow? Going back home. Going back to the whole house. You like those sunflowers? Yeah. I like flowers, sunflowers. Beautiful.
Today, let's make our own version of tuna bibimbap using San Marino corn tuna Spanish.
Akatsuki. Hi, I'm from India. Hi, Akatsuki. Thank you for joining. Welcome to my channel. I'm Filipina from Philippines. Well, today you are my mango. Oh my gulay! I like this shirt. You want to buy my shirt? Ah, mango! That's why you like mango. Oh my god. It's a mango. I love Philippines. Thank you, Akatsuki. Thank you so much.
Salamat po.
Dahil ang best Christmas gift ay food so good na tikong si tita. Fried chicken, burger, or
You have a beautiful smile. Of course, finally you got it. Finally, I got it. Oh my gulay.
dehydration, mommy.
Ako lang gulisod.
Diarrhea si baby. Mag-ingat sa dehydration. Love Data Light. Data Light is nose prescribed to help prevent dehydration.
What are you doing, Jamie?
Friday na.
What are you doing?
Si
You are so much beautiful. Thank you, Akatsuki. There is no many people like you. You are fun. Funny.
You want more? Daming pwedeng i-try with crispy fry. Check it out, my Friday feast plan. Friday tayo ulit, ha?
Thank you for the thumbs up.
Extra spicy.
Promise, baby.
Thank you for 12 million people.
Hindi ka mabibigyan sa laro. Secure at napakaraming payment options for fast cash in and out ng panalo mo. Ibang swerte to.
You know I am a girl. Nice to meet you, Akatsuki. Yay! Thank you so much. If you are a girl, that's great. Getting ready to go to the shop. You're going to work now, Jamie? You're going to work? Bye. Bye, Akatsuki. Bye-bye. Thank you for joining.
Oh. Dito naman. Laro ko tayo yun. Laro ko tayo.
Friends. Lahat. Teka! Ba't di ka muna mag-almusal?
Mr. Budge or Bob. Si Yamila King.
Onggay! Pupunta ako sa inyo. Ba't nakaga mo?
Oh my God. Oh my gulay.
Sabi niyo magkita daw kami sa loob ng isang oras. Paano yun? Meron tayong pasok.
Bob.
Paalam na lang ako. Sabihin mo may
I could eat.
pwede ako makapasok.
I could eat you.
Kasama ko sa'yo. Wag. Ako na lang. Kaya ko na to. Kaya mo.
No. I'm not available. Even the mango.
Sa'yo, Amber. Sa mga dala ko pupunta. Tsaka na pag may nangyari sa akin na tatawagan ko. Ikaw yung best mo. Makikipagkita kayo, Mr. Iba na nakapagtulog. Hindi. May mga damit akong pinasatuloy ng telefon. Hindi na lang susutin.
No.
Okay, sige.
Yes, I'm going to work. The good thing I don't have a boss. Ah, wow. Because you are a boss. The good thing you don't have a boss because you are the boss.
Ang magandang
Well, he is a very lucky man. Who?
Kasama ako.
Because Jamie as a lucky man?
Ibig sabihin, okay na tayo.
Nobody looking over me or controlling me. Wow, that's great. Good mindset. Hello, my love. Hi, Jerry.
Malinaw sa inyo.
Welcome back to my channel. How are ya?
Wala ako sa my car, Jason. Andiyan na yung kotse ni Kuya. Sandali lang ngayon, para din na.
A shit city. A shit city. Hi. A shit city. Hello. What's up? Yes, indeed I am. What is your business, Jamie? How is Cheryl doing? I'm doing live. Hi, Donnie.
Hindi ko alam.
How are you? I'm fine. Shinetsute. Ashinetsute.
Patay.
And what about you, Shinetsute? Ashinetsute.
Sabihin mo sa akin sa musika nagtatago si Takbo.
What a name.
Kulit-kulit pala eh. Di ba sinabi ko hindi ko alam? Matagal na kayo hindi nagkikita.
Laro lang yun.
Thank you for joining here again.
Ano ba na yung...
When you are happy, I am happy. Oh, that's great. What is your business, Jamie?
Hindi ko ba talaga nakakarinig?
Where from? I'm from Philippines.
Yes.
And you, where are you from? Ashunette stay. Oh my God.
Stay there. Stay there. Diyan ka na nalaman hampas lupa. That's right. Stay there.
Somebody get somebody.
What?
Mm, mm,
Versus out.
Odisha Paradep. What is that? Automotive technician. Ah, okay.
I was just asking Santino here rather nicely kung nasan si Tango.
Jamie, you live with your wife or the kids, with your family?
Naghahanap lang yun ng asol para sa puno si Santino.
What?
Ano bang trip mo, kuya?
Hey. What's going on here?
Si kuya mo naman yung
Mechanic Lola.
si Santino eh.
Ah.
A very important appointment. That's good. Go. See you later, Kuya.
Lucky.
Nagturog ka alas 12, Gab. Ha? Nagturog ka kanina na lang.
Medyo. Punk versus punk. Kapadarami.
Siguro mo nga sa'yo yan. Siguro mo nga sa'yo, sa gitna ng mahirap na sitwasyon. Kayo ko rin. Masama na kaya kailangan mo siya alagaan.
Magandang umaga, palagi kang nasa isip at puso. Why you know that language, Jamie? To translate it in Tagalog.
Oh, yun na ito double ko. Sarap kayo dito.
I delete stop recording. Yeah, I didn't say no.
It's a November to remember.
Well, right now I live on the internet. Why? Well, I live on the internet. You meet so many people on internet, social media. You just read it.
At thank God it's Sunday with a cast of TGIS.
Pwede ka mo mabate. Ay, kaya ka diwa.
Gamitin ka pa rin ang unforgettable ang saya.
Alala ko siya. Si pare mo.
Free Bowl Rumble. Dixon Haler for fast food mula sa Parado Haler. Kahit kailan, kahit saan. Dixon Haler.
Thank you for 14 people. Thank you so much.
May bago para dyan. Hi, thanks for tuning in.
Hey, hello sis. After a long time met you. Hi, Simmering.
Dapat malinis.
I have to learn it.
Pag di tama ang kinakain,
Kung nagkakasakit.
immunity ka na yan.
Stop! Immunity ka. Ang sakit na sulok para
Simmering. Simmering, hello.
Sino na sino sa pasuya.
Jimmy, you're not layer.
Umabot sa paligid ng mga
Kaya, with selected perfect 3-in-1 plus 1, 149 lang for flavors na. 149 lang, my child's
Thank you for the thumbs up, guy. Thank you so much, and thank you for watching now.
Unlike another place, it protects from 10 harmful germs. Bicol spicy
Ako
noodles.
yung
Amazing wellness. Nova amazing goodness. Delicious flavor and incredible multi-flavor in every bite. Nova amazing goodness.
Bakla na lang yung gabo ka na ko. Nakita.
Toddlers are exposed to
Kaya.
200 cold viruses, but protected while making friends. I only choose Nido 3 Plus with up to 1 billion probiotics, suitable for respiratory protection. Nido 3 Plus.
Oh my God, Jerry.
The love.
Sige,
I
magpunta tayo.
can behave or I will have Cheryl take your jacket. Aray ko.
Saan ba? Lunch pinasarap. Sulitan tayo, Nila. May 50% more na.
Jamie, you can't do live. You only one subscriber. Hello, Boy Bicol. Kain po. Salamat, Boy Bicol. Thank you. Thank you for the 9 thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Well, beautiful, I had to go now. I wish you all the best and a good night's sleep. I wish you as many subscribers as possible, million likes. Thank you, Jamie. Jamie, what you mouth, and I will ban you forever, Jamie.
Magkakaiba ang Pasko. Magkakaroon natin creamy special ito. May you have a special handaan with Ladies' Choice.
Hi,
3X power. Sa pata.
as Mekam. Hi.
Isa pata. Super pizza.
Hi, Asij. Asi. Moan. What means? Asija.
With a triple control system.
Where from? Asija.
Control blood sugar 90% of the time.
Kaya steady ang energy. Basta may tulong na Lucerna, in control ka.
Ayan na.
Mas okay na more. Share.
With cancer crackers.
Moen is German. Bosnian. Okay. Nice to meet you. Asija.
What's your secret?
Wow. Banana is favorite for me. Banana.
Our choice of two in the Philippines. Get up to 100% deposit bonus plus 1% daily first deposit rebate. Unbelievable talaga! Pipay na ako. Sa di na stress. Play for fun. Play responsibly. Gambling is not an
Gabak na
accepted
yan.
way of livelihood and does not solve financial problems. Anong fish ang patay? Anong parang gusto mo ating iba? Nang palipilbe?
Where from? I'm from Philippines. Answer the question, please. I am from Philippines. 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 Filipinas. Philippines. And I thank you. I'm trying to have a chance. Ako, I am calm. Don't order the host to answer this. Oh my god.
We wouldn't even be here in the first place. Diretso mo ako. Focus tayo sa pagpapagaling kay
Oh
mama.
my god, I can't believe this feeling.
Alright.
Today's Mile Rich Lemon Square Cheesecake.
6 fresh eggs and milk, with milky cheese syrup.
Pag nakabusog sa school para alert and active.
Your ranch is ruining your channel. Oh my god. Oh hell nah. Thank you for the thank you for watching. Oh my god. You are eating organic banana. I can see the seeds. A life over there is so beautiful, very beautiful. Thank you, Jamie. Tell me who's that girl? Sayo tayo. Sayo din din.
Maglevite is most prescribed to help prevent dehydration. Maintenance and dehydration, Maglevite.
Alright. No,
What's the
you
focus of the
won't
brain?
me.
Well, it's been a year. Now, I chose to follow my heart.
Whatever. Whatever. That's correct, Donnie. Oh my god. Where from? I'm from Philippines. Heather Hunter. Oh my.
Ang gabay ng magulang ang kailangan maaaring masisirang tema, lingwahe, karahasan, sexual, horror o droga na hindi angkop sa mga bata.
Thank you for watching, guys. Shake it up, girl. San Antonio, Texas. Heather Hunter. Oh my god. Heather Hunter. Oh hell no.
Kasama ka ba?
Marry me? Why should I marry you? Heather Hunter.
Oo nga pala. Pinakulong mo yung sarili mo asawa. Sayang naman.
How
Wala
can
kang kasama mong celebrate sa
yeah? How can I? Oh my god. See, Donnie, I'm the boss. Oh my god.
Ikaw lang, Hepe.
Siguro nakita ng mga opisyalis sa maraming
Siguro nga,
Time countdown. Countdown.
nakakataas na tumulong sa posisyon.
Ana, Ana. Chiriri, chiriri. Chiriri, chiriri,
Kaya
chiriri.
pala si Presley yun.
Ah,
Grabe.
chiriri,
Napaka-special na promosyon mo.
chiriri.
Diba?
Aha, aha.
Kaya,
Presley,
Chiriri. Aha. Is that girl go fucking? Oh my god. I'm in a banning mood, even you. Oh my, I subscribe to you. Thank you, Heather Hunter. Subscribe to my channel.
lalaki sumila sa buhay ng anak ko.
Calm down, guys. Calm down.
Isang pinasinagot.
Girl, you know how to move it. Dancing and music always brings people together.
Honestly, I don't care.
It's up to you.
Seryoso ako kapag may nangyaring masama kay Erica.
Please stop the noise soundtrack.
For you,
Damn, this hurts her channel.
ngayon naman ay inaanyayahan natin sa ating kagalang-galang na Vice Mayor Pedro Guerrero.
Romulo, would you let a 51-year smash? What do you mean?
magandang araw po sa inyo lahat. Umpisa ko po ang aking mensahe sa isang katanungan. Ano po ba ang
Well, Donnie, you need to understand myself. I like you, but then I'm like you.
sabi ng marami? Nakapangan.
You're very good.
Iba naman, sinasabi nila,
Oh my god. Can you please release me? So, oh my god. It does goes after people for nothing too controlling. Team, your jealousy is destroying your channel. Have more confidence in yourself.
Kung hindi niya alam kung sino ang kanyang tapat na magiging mahal. Ngayon, dahil ito ang mga kapulisan na hindi matutupasan ang kanilang paglilingkod sa bayan. Sa naway, hindi tumabago ang kanilang katapatan na kanilang
Okay, ano mo na Kuya Gab? Kaya nagkukulog na ang ulo ko, Gab. Sa'yo, kanina ka pa sumagapong ka na. I-charge mo nga rin. Sabi ko, diri ka mag-ano na nag-charge. Tama na mo na yun. Ay, oh shit talaga. Oh my God.
dahil sa inyong pinamalas na katapatan at katapangan ng serbisyo sa loob ng
If you don't like it, Tony, to take the recount. Hello, pretty. How old are you? I'm 40 years old. 40.
Ikaw ang isa sa pinakamagaling na polis na kilala ko din mga iba. Ako, hindi biro yung...
Every view counts to get her monetized, and I'm waiting for that so I can send her gift to help her. Thank you, Donnie.
Malay mo, bukas sa makalawa ay kung anong pinaka-nagkakatiwala.
Thank you so much.
Hanggang ka sa pwesto at kumarihan ang mga ganyan. Parang na kami. Congratulations! Captain, English.
I will buy a laptop if I monetize my channel for my channel and program. I'll quit being so controlling. It really makes you look bad. Donnie, I know that, but some people are stupid when we tell you that she's taken and still tries to get her. How old are you? I'm 40 years old. Simmering. Itaas mo pa, kuya. Isandal mo pa, Didi. Itaas mo pa. Simmering.
Kasi maalipan ako.
Ouch, sabi ko itaas pa. Day ko. Itaas mo pa, Kuya Gab. No, dito.
Meron
Kuman. Kulay. Monetize.
hangga naman kami.
Eh, ano yan ito? Oh, ano yan ito? Dali na ho. Naghali o gang. Huh. Ano na? Paguna ako, ina mo didi. Nalimutan mo kayong kas ano mo. Aray ko. The day you get monetized, I will send her $100 US and a lot. Wow, that's great. Generous, Tony. Really, you can send me that? Ano? Wow, that's great. Donnie, I support. Oh. Donnie, I support her. So not what about your $100? Hi, Insan. Oh my God. I have one kid. Only one. He's like the old lion. No. He is like, what mean? Di ka pa monetize. Di pa. Monetize na ako dati. Tapos, na-demonetize ako. Nawala yung ano. Bumalik ako. Nag-back to ano. Kaya nawala yung ads. Na-demonetize ako. Kasi ay, hindi ako active more than 6 months pa 1 year. Wala akong uploads. Ano, kaya na-demonetize ako. Ganun pala. Sabi ko, parang bakit bumalik yung ano. Kaya malapit na ako. Ay, kailangan ko na ma-monetize ulit. Madami ka na views eh. Di ba 4K watch hour lang naman ang need? Oo, kaso nga lang, ang hirap i-reach ng 4K. Ang hirap i-reach. Kasi yung dati, nag-back to zero pala. Magba-back to zero ka sa watch hours. Pag na-demonetize ka, back to zero. Yung sa watch hour. Pero yung sa followers, okay na siya. Pero sa ganun pala yun, magba-back to zero ka sa watch hour. Para maano mo ulit. Matrabahuin mo ulit. Nag-back to zero ako. Yun yung kailangan kong i-comply ulit. Yung mga live mo nasa 4K, yung ibang ano. Oo, pero hindi rin siya enough na makaano. Kaya, yun yung, malaking tulong siya. Malaki yung nakuha kong watch hours doon. Sa, ano, sa live ko na yun. Malaking bagay siya. Malaking bagay. She doesn't stay as long enough live. She only does 1 hour a day. She needs to do 3 hours a few times each hour. Yeah. I need it. I need the live long hours. Sorry.
Sobrang sakit, banatan siya.
Protection. Sarap mag-road trip. Sobrang sakit. Relax na. Manage deals with the cause of pain. With care. Sobrang sakit. Panatagsak na ng auto-available. Lahat na. Rheumatic and body pain cream. Protection. Wishy potato fries. It's cheesy to love.
Okay, Cheryl, have a great evening. The team thing ruins the live every time. And if people stay on from start to finish, you will gain more time. Thank you guys for joining my live stream. Thank you so much. But Donnie. Oh.
Lemons for Kids na Buti Syrup sa upuan hika ng mga bata. Lemons for Kids. Gawa sa natural na labuti, tinuturaw at pinalalabas ang plema. May orange at banana. Para sa ginhawa ng mga bata.
Hello sis, please wait for minutes. Okay, I'm going to shop. Okay. No problem. Take your time, simmering. Oh, I see. Mahirap pala ang gain ng view. Yes. Mahirap talaga. Bumalik ako sa dati na puyat. Grabe puyat. Hard work. Nagtatrabaho na. Pero worth it naman pag ganun. Sayang, nanghinayang ako dati kasi nag-busy ako sa trabaho. Pag ano. Wow. Thank you for the 7 people here. Thank you po. Donnie is sad.
Pwede bigyan ng tebra kahit wala pang kain.
Ang kulit mo, Pitel. Thank you for the 9 Go. Thank you for the 9 people watching here now. Thank you so much. It's sad. You're so controlling. Oh my god.
Ito yung ilan sa mga binibenta ko.
Insan, up na muna ako ha. I have an appointment to be. See you later. Good night. Take care always. Thank you, my cousin. Thank you, Insan. Have a good day. Have a good day in America. Philippines. Yeah, I'm from Philippines. Rihan. Where are you from, Rihan? It's sad you don't listen. I have to protect what is mine, Donnie. Hello, hello, Rihan. Rihan.
Pero lang din niya nawala sa akin. Dahil gusto niya pang malinis.
Thank you for the 12 thumbs up. Son, I am from Australia, but it's okay some words in Philippines language. Ah, okay. Who do you think you are, Cheryl? Your ranch is ruining your channel. Oh my god. I meet a lot of Philippines people on Omegle. Omegle? What is that? What is Omegle? Omegle? Oh, Omegle? What pronounce it? How to pronounce it? Omegle? Omegle? Do you understand, Donnie? I banned you, but still, but I think you need to go. Calm, guys. Need to calm down. How? Take a little. Whatever you choose, calling Cheryl. I think he means Omi TV, the red guy. Omi TV? What got the kiss? Rayhan, what is Omegle? What is that? Bye, Cheryl. Bye bye, Danny. Take care. Have a nice day. Not by getting rid of you want to hurt her. City Bay. Oh my god. Ako lalabot. I've already written what is Omegle. Ah. How many people you meet in Omegle? Ah, Omegle? Omegle? Oh, what is... I don't know how to... Ah, Omegle. Omegle. Team, you go after everybody. Thank you for the 19 people. Thank you, Donnie. Have a nice day. Take care always. God bless. Thank you for joining me here. Almost 50 people from Philippines. Really? Wow. Right now. Are you finding someone maybe? By the way, you are so pretty. Pretty? How you see? Oh my god. I let a lot of guys get away with a lot. Lot. Where are you from, Rayhan? Oh, sorry. Where are you from? Oh, so I've been trying to write that you are pretty, but wiggle thing. But Cheryl doesn't understand their thinking, so I handle it. What is that? Thank you for 11 million here now. What is amigo? Amigo, amigo, maybe it's a dating, dating site because you have lots of Filipino there. Oh my God, 50. Did. Tell me who's your profile picture is also really pretty. I'm subscribing you. Thank you, Reina Rihan. Thank you, Rihan. Rihan. Ano yan? Ano yan? Athemus. Athemused. Thank you for the 13 people. Can you please give the thumbs up? Thank you. China. Tell me who's that girl. San. Umasalita. Thank you for the 14 million here for watching. Na gagaling sa aming dalawa. Aking sinta, ikaw na ang tahanan ng mundo. Naantok na ako. Yes, sleepy na. I feel sleepy. Thank you for watching. Oh my God. Oh, I'm so sleepy. I'm sleepy. Yeah, I'm so sleepy. Bye bye. Thank you for joining. See you next time. Bye. Hope you see you on next live. Bye bye. God bless. Thank you for joining. Bye bye. Love you guys. Oh my god.